Together we're making a rich and decadent chocolate sauce that's made healthier with a secret high-protein ingredient. It only takes a few minutes to make and doesn't require any cooking or boiling. You can leave it on the thicker side as a sauce or thin it out as a syrup. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier, all-natural recipes, then you are in the right place. To make this really simple chocolate sauce, we're going to start by adding cottage cheese. And I'm going to use the chopper cup with my immersion blender, but you can also use a food processor or an upright blender. So I'm going to add half a cup of cottage cheese, and you could use small curd or large curd, non-fat, low-fat, whatever your preference. I really like to use the full-fat variety for the most creaminess. Next, we're going to add half a cup of maple syrup, and you'll want to use pure maple syrup for the best nutritional value. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and about 2 pinches of salt. And then we'll simply blend it together until it is smooth and creamy. Well, that looks perfect. Now we have this gorgeous, rich and creamy chocolate sauce, which I think needs a quality control sample. That is so good. I love that it has just the right amount of sweetness without being overpowering, and that it's made with clean, natural ingredients. If you'd like it to be a little bit sweeter, you can go ahead and add a little bit more maple syrup. And if you'd like to serve this as a syrup over pancakes, you can add just a little bit more milk until it has that pourable syrup consistency. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And if you'd like to see the full recipe, it's in the video description below, and it takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.